Hi guys, it's John here from Veritech Systems. Today we've got a very short video to announce the winner from our cleaning show competition last week, where we were giving away a STREAMLINE 17-foot over 8 pole. So we're going to pick a winner at random, so stay tuned. Right guys, we've got all the business cards here, and they were given in at the stand last week in London at the cleaning show. The chances, the prize was a 17-foot STREAMLINE over 8 pole. So we're going to put them all into this box and pick one at random. Let's give it a go. Give it a good rummage, I'm not looking. And we've picked one at random. It is, if I can read the name correctly, Alex from iCleaning. You're the winner of our STREAMLINE over 8 17-foot pole. We'll be in contact shortly. Sorry for all those that didn't win, but don't despair, we've got plenty more competition coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.